This is also, this is the other temu purchase that I got utilizing my credits from buying cleaning supplies and the 2 free items that I got from Temu Circle. I just pulled these out of the bag right away, but this is actually the item that I ordered. These are just the 2 free items I picked. This one, I am assuming, is the seat cover for my bike, because my bike has a seat that is at minimum 30 to 32 years old, probably a bit older, and it is no longer comfortable, to say the least. So I'm hoping, even though this is going to be this feels really thin, that it'll add a little bit of cushion onto the seat when I'm riding. And then this, can't see it at the moment, I will open it in a minute. This is a safety signal to put on the bike on the back, just so that when I'm riding, and especially if I need to ride at night for deliveries, there is a red flashing light so people know that I'm there and hopefully don't hit and kill me, because I don't want any more bike accidents, even though my last accident was not because of anyone else, and it was my own fault for not noticing the construction that was going on the sidewalk. But yeah, yes, Jynx, yes, I will give you pets. He wants to say hi too. Jynx wants to be part of this video. Huh? You want to be part of? Yeah, you want to be part of the video? Yeah. Okay, you can be part of the video for a minute. Yes, I will give you scratches and you can be part of the video and tell everyone how much you like it. Alright, anyway, this is the other item that I had purchased with my credits, not one of the free items that I got from the Temu Circle membership, because with the Circle membership, I think I pay like $3 and something cents every couple months. I don't remember how much it is. I might pay like maybe $7-8, but whatever it is, I pay it every 3 months, and I get cash back on all of my purchases, which, as I told you before, because I buy cleaning supplies, that's great, because I have to get the cleaning supplies anyway. It doesn't matter where I go. You need to have a clean home. But getting cash back on them in the form of a store credit helps, and I use that to get the other things that I actually want, like this. So what this is a little cleaning sponge that comes with it, but this is a thermos. Oh, and it comes with a little carrying bag. It's actually kind of nice. It feels like a fake suede kind of fabric, but it's a little drawstring carrying bag. But further interruptions. This is a thermos. However, unlike a regular thermos, it has a electric heater in it, so it will actually boil the water. So it does have to be plugged in when boiling, but then it'll keep the water hot. So say I am out all day from like early morning to sunset doing orders, and I fill up a kettle or fill this thing up and make tea in it, or just fill it up with hot tea because it's getting colder out, or coffee or whatever, and that gets cold. I can go somewhere with an outlet, and this is the little pluggy, or the at least part, the inlet for the plug. But I can go and I can plug this in anywhere with the 3-prong outlet, and I can reheat my drinks. And then I will not have to spend extra money somewhere to get a hot drink. I mean, likely if I'm buying food, I'll still get some food, but I won't have to pay extra. Or I may be able to, like, say, stop at a library or something and plug it in and just reheat the whatever liquid is in there. Or I could say have soup in there, do the same with that. And then I either A, don't have to spend a bunch of money on food while I'm working, because if it's like, say, soup, I already or noodles, I already have it. Or B, I don't have to go home and lose between 30 minutes to an hour and a half time when I could be working that day. So yeah, that's why I got this. But yeah, it comes with this. It comes with its own little cleaning brush. It comes with its carrying bag. Oh, and you get a little citric acid detergent thingy for cleaning it. It comes in it. You get two of them. And then I am not seeing the plug, so we're going to open this up because I believe the plug for this may actually be sitting in the bottom. Oh, also, there's a little carrying handle, which is kind of nice. And this will make cleaning easier because that means the electrical components will be covered and protected from damage. I would probably still tape that thing down when I was cleaning, but I would also be very careful about it anyway. Okay, and yes, here is the 3-prong outlet that comes with it in its own little bag so that it does not scratch up the inside of it. And with a little nice outlet cover, because good electronics. If you buy an electronic with 3-prong outlet, a good electronic will always have that outlet covered. I don't know why, but better quality electronics always have the 3-prong covered with a piece like that. And then it's got air vents right here, as you can see, and one of those caution hot labels that everyone has to put on everything. It holds, it looks like 30 ounces max of water. I don't know if I can show you, but inside of it is actually solid stainless steel, and it's got the markings. You probably can't see it, but the markings, let me see if I can rotate this. Hey, no fighting. You too. No fighting. Sorry about that. Life with cats. Okay, there you go. You can kind of see it now. The markings, the watermarks are actually stamped inside, so you know how much liquid you're putting in it. And it's pretty heavy duty. It feels like it weighs a good, I don't want to say half a pound, but just under half a pound. I'm going to have to check later what the weight is on it, but yeah, it feels pretty sturdy. I like it. And then we are going to open up the free items. Just set this down and put everything from this back into its case, or in the box for now, so I don't want to make a huge mess. And first we are going to open up the bike seat cover, which I definitely hope fits. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, this is just a little stretchy bike seat with a little bit of a foam pad. It looks like it will fit my bike. And yeah, it just make it a little more comfy. And then this, which is of the two the more important thing. And these were my free items. I did not have to pay any extra money for them. Technically, I had to pay a little bit on my item orders, but I was able to utilize temu credit, so they didn't cost full price either. But yeah, here we go. This is it. Move that piece of plastic right there. This is the USB charger, and it is a micro USB, which you don't see a lot of those anymore, but hey, I'm not too worried about it because the regular part still fits into the USB or into an outlet. And yeah, go away. I will. And then this is the part that connects to the bike. And this is my signal so that I will be safe. And yeah, I am getting a phone call, so that's going to be it for this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you in a bit. Or, yeah, comment if you want to know anything about everything. I'll leave a link, or not links, but I'll leave the names of the specific items in the description, and what temu store they were purchased from. I don't make any money off of any of that. I just, if it's something that I need to get, I get it. And if I think it's worth reviewing, I review it, just like other stuff in other places. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Anyway.